Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the Daily SPY Report for Wednesday, January 12th, 2022. Before I jump into the charts, as usual, just want to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the Daily SPY Report. It helps us out a great deal with regard to our search engine results we get on YouTube. And click subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will provide you notification whenever new content has been uploaded, which includes the Daily SPY, the Daily Triple Q, weekly DIA, weekly IWM, the soon and upcoming weekly Bitcoin, free stock pick every week. Being notified early on will provide this information to you when it's relevant and fresh. Anyway, let's jump into the charts. Just backtracking a little bit, you could see on Monday we came close to testing midterm support in the low to mid 450s, 452 even to 454.69 is today's area. On Monday, we actually did in the Triple Q, the NASDAQ 100 ETF, test long-term support today at 369.79. That's another story altogether. I invite you to watch the daily Triple Q for Wednesday. And also, holding above this area will keep, I'm going to say by the end of February, possibly sooner, this upper 480s, low 490s rising daily longer-term resistance area in reach because of the near miss of having almost tested midterm support earlier in the week. Let's jump to the near-term daily charts. This area is considered a realistic objective, that is probably in reach this week, maybe today, holding above 465.51, which is nothing more than Monday's close. And why I like that is it's just off Monday's high, the high of the low. That is decent support in itself. 465.74, I believe, was the high of Monday. The settlement is the lowest settlement this week, so it has downward pivot point qualities into later week if we were to close below 465.51. In other words, a new low for the week should provide downward momentum into Friday. But holding above 465.51 over the next 2 to 3 days, I have 476.50 as a realistic target. And you can see it actually here in the support resistance. 465.51, our day support, above which 476.50 expected over the next 2 to 3 days. Now, upside today, 471.05 can contain initial buying. And from there, we could fall back to 465.51 intraday. But if we push or open today above 471.05, that 476.50 level is attainable today, where we can top out through the rest of the week. And you could also consider this kind of the start of a range of resistance up to 480.60. That channel top at 480.60, able to contain buying through next week. And from there, we could fall back within 2 to 3 weeks into the mid 450s midterm support, which I showed earlier. And so, if you're a 2 to 3 week position trader, options, whatever the case might be, the 476.5 to 480.60 area is a zone that you could say buy puts with a 2 to 3 week expiration. 455 puts, for instance, because that would be the possible objective with the bearish rotation into later January, early February off this 476.5 to 480.60 area. But I just want to express that if we did close above 480.60, it's not going to happen today, but if by the end of next week we did, then that upper 480s, low 490s is likely within probably just another week of activity. 2 weeks at the very most, rising steadily, once again able to contain buying on a monthly basis. In other words, by that point in time through February, and from there we could fall off in the weeks to follow. And inversely, if we closed above 491.10, then we've got longer term bullish continuation into the second quarter. Let's take a look at the downside today. If we break or open today below 465.51, 461.70 is in reach, while closing today, as I said, below 465.51 would allow the 452 even to 454.69 area within just a few days, probably by Friday's close. 454.69 is really the start of a zone of midterm support down to 452 even that can contain selling into, possibly through February trade. And from here, now that we've come close to testing it, we can push into the very low 480s by the end of next week, perhaps. And that's really, I'll just leave you with the support and resistance for today. That's really all that needs to be said. Please click like each and every time you watch the Daily SPY Report and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. You won't regret it. The information we provide is relevant and will provide you a kind of a sharpened sense of market flow and timing. And that is all I've got for Wednesday's Daily SPY Report. You have a great day.